You've already made the system palette configurable. Now we'll do the same for the balances palette. This reinforces the core pattern of using traits with associated types. If you struggled earlier, now is your time to shine. If stuck, refer to your earlier work before peeking at the solution. If you are still stuck, re-watch the previous lesson. It's crucial that you come up with your own solution. This will help you to truly understand what is happening here, and only that way you will be able to bridge the learnings into your future Rust projects. Your task is, you will need to create a config trait for the balances palette. Then you probably will need these generics here and put them inside the trait as associated types. Don't forget that there are trait boundaries down here. Next, you will get a bunch of warnings, probably around these functions here, because you will need to update some of them. We can move on to the tests. Here we will have a struct test config, which will need to implement a super config, so just our balances config trait. And you will need to update some of the tests as well, probably around this here, something here. Then we can move on to main RS. The same as we've done earlier with system config, now with the balances config, we need to implement this on top of the runtime. Finally, you would need to change something here in the runtime struct, but I will let you figure it out yourself. Pause the video now and implement the solution on your own. Don't forget that if you're stuck, go back to the system palette and otherwise rewatch the previous lesson.